Chapter 5 Procedures in Logo. Dear children, you must have observed that some basic shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle are used in many figures, and every time you need to draw these shapes, you have to write the primitive for it. To avoid this, you can use procedures in Logo. Using procedures, you can record the sequence of primitives to draw a shape by a name called procedure name, and just use the procedure name wherever you want to use that shape. What is a procedure? A procedure is a set of primitives written to draw a figure and is stored by a name. 2 stairs. CS. Repeat 4 bracket FD20 RT90 FD20 LT90 bracket close PU RT90 PD. Repeat 4 bracket open FD20 RT90 FD20 LT90 bracket close end. Stairs defined. Set of primitives stored by name stairs. Name of procedure. Creating procedures in Logo. To create a procedure in Logo, type the primitives to draw a figure in the body of the procedure. A procedure is created as follows. 2 procedure name. Primitives. End. Example 1. Suppose we have to define a procedure to draw a rectangle. Then, in the text area, we will write question mark space 2 rectangle. Give a greater than sign, space, repeat 2, start square bracket, FD30, RT90, FD50, RT90 and close the bracket. End. Rectangle defined. Note, the question mark changes to greater than sign. End command is used to end a procedure. Body of procedure. To run a procedure, type its name and press Enter key. Remember, give space between the word to and the procedure name. Generally, name of the figure is given as procedure name. It is not necessary to write the full name of the figure. Use short forms like RECT, RE or R to draw a rectangle. Example 2. Procedure to draw a square. CS. To square. Repeat 4 open bracket FD50 RT90 bracket close end. Square defined. Square. You must be thinking, what is the use of following this procedure when the turtle can draw by simply writing the concerned primitive? The procedure name can be used as a command later on whenever required till the computer is on. This works as any other primitive of Logo like forward, back, etc. Using procedures. The procedures defined earlier can be used in other procedures also. Suppose you have already drawn a rectangle and a square using procedure on your computer. And if you're interested to draw a rectangle enclosing a square, then there will be no need to write the primitives for both figures again. And instead, you can use the names of procedures of square and rectangle as commands. Step 1. Write the procedure for drawing a rectangle. Type a question mark, give a space and write to rectangle. Type the greater than sign, give a space, then type repeat to open bracket FD30 RT90 FD50 RT90 and close the bracket. End. Rectangle defined. Step 2. Write the procedure for drawing a square. Question mark to square. Greater than sign. Repeat for open bracket FD50 RT90 close bracket. End. Square defined. Finally, we can write the final procedure for our design as to design square PU FD10 LT90 FD10 RT90 rectangle. End. Press enter. Greater than sign. Design defined. Enter. Question mark sign. Design. Enter. Thus, we've drawn our design by breaking up our procedure into small procedures. This also helps us to correct our mistakes easily. Suppose primitives of square have been written incorrectly. Then it is easy to change them in the procedure for square instead of making the corrections in the sequence of primitives written for the whole design altogether.